9 steps to a social media campaign to boost your brand engagement. Conduct a competitive analysis. Create your buyer personas or customer profiles. Choose your most important social media channels. Make a social media content calendar. Create engaging social content. Use the suitable tools. Schedule your posts. Create a timely social media presence. Analyze your performance. Are you looking for a social media agency? Tell us about your project and receive proposals from verified companies for free. DesignRush, connecting businesses with agencies.